Central Asian cuisine is often described as hearty and meat, but its true character comes from the careful and balanced use of spices and herbs. In countries such as Uzbekistan, Kazakhstan, and Kyrgyzstan, seasoning is not about overwhelming heat or complexity. It is about enhancing natural flavors and creating harmony in every dish. The history of spices in the region is closely tied to the Silk Road, which connected Central Asia with Persia, India, China, and beyond. Through these trade routes, spices such as cumin, coriander, and black pepper were introduced and gradually integrated into local cooking. Rather than adopting heavily spiced dishes, Central Asian cultures adapt to these ingredients to suit their own culinary styles, aromatic and balanced. Among the most essential spices is cumin, known for its warm and earthy flavor. It plays a central role in iconic dishes like pulao, where it complements rice, meat, and vegetables. Cumin adds depth without dominating, allowing the dish to remain rich yet approachable. Coriander seeds are also widely used, offering a mild citrus note that lifts heavier flavors. Black pepper is commonly used for gentle heat, but overall, Central Asian cuisine avoids strong spicing. Instead, flavors are built gradually through slow cooking, allowing spices to blend naturally with ingredients. This approach reflects a culinary philosophy that values balance over intensity. Herbs are just as important as spices. Fresh herbs such as dill, parsley, and cilantro are often added at the end of cooking or served alongside dishes. They bring brightness and freshness, balancing the richness of meat-heavy meals. In many cases, herbs are placed on the table separately, giving diners the freedom to adjust flavors to their liking. In more rural or mountainous areas, wild herbs play a unique role. These plants, gathered from forests and hillsides, introduce distinct regional aromas that cannot be easily replicated. Their use reflects a deep connection to the land and a tradition of foraging that has been passed down through generations. Another defining feature of Central Asian cooking is restraint. Unlike cuisines that rely on complex spice blends, this region emphasizes the quality of its core ingredients: meat, grains, and vegetables. Spices and herbs are used to support these elements, not to overshadow them. This results in dishes that feel both simple and deeply satisfying. Spices and herbs also carry cultural meaning. Certain flavors are associated with celebrations, gatherings, or seasonal dishes. During festivals, meals may include more aromatic spices, while everyday cooking remains modest and practical. This reflects how food is intertwined with both daily life and special occasions. In addition, spices are sometimes used in preservation. During long winters, when fresh ingredients are scarce, herbs and spices help maintain flavor in dried or stored foods. This practical use highlights the resourcefulness of Central Asian communities. Today, while global influences continue to shape modern cuisine, traditional uses of spices and herbs remain strong. They serve as a link between past and present, preserving identity through flavor. In the end, spices and herbs in Central Asian cooking are not about complexities. They're about balance, tradition, and respect for ingredients. Through their subtle use, they create dishes that are rich in aroma, history, and cultural meaning.